Hello. So after you've purchased your support space template, you should receive an email just shortly after, and that email will have instructions for downloading your template. The first stage is to sign up for a ClickUp account if you don't have one, so it guides you through signing up for a free or paid ClickUp account. And once you've signed up for your ClickUp account, just open that up and pop the URL for the template in there. And once you've pasted that through, that starts to load the template in your workspace. So as we can see now, it's loading up that support um, space. So this is our workspace, or effectively this would be the name of your business, and this is the name of that space that's being downloaded. So it says support space template, and you just click use template. So there's nothing else to do. You don't have to be technical to install this. This starts to download that template for you just so you have something to start working with. So you're able to customize this to whatever you want this to be. This gives you just a nice starting place. So you can see here, the green check, green tick says the support space template's been installed, and we can see that support space template just in the left hand side of the screen. So opening this up, we see three additional folders, one for customer service management. So looking at this one, it's for customer tickets. So you can use this for capturing customer issues, bugs, complaints, or just customer interactions. So you've got the customer service form over here, and you can embed this on your website. That way, once customers fill this out, then the corresponding tickets appear automatically in your list. You've also got the Kanban view if that's what you prefer, so you can look at open tickets, pending, all the way through to in progress and resolved. So over here, the tickets come in, and you've got them categorized by cancellations, by bugs, and then you can track the customer sentiment, you can track the priority, you can have automation to automatically assign these tickets as soon as they come in, just so people are looking at them as soon as they arrive. And then you just have the standard list of these tickets, and that shows you coming from top to bottom: open tickets, tickets in progress, and tickets that have been resolved. And you've got categories that you can change, and you can track customer sentiments, any notes here, and you've got free text for the submitter to identify themselves, and you can also capture the requester's email. That way, once the bugs have been resolved, you can reach out to them just to let them know that all that has been resolved. And you can also send emails directly from ClickUp. So I will suggest integrating the team's email, and that way, as soon as the bug's resolved, you can email the customer directly from ClickUp, and you can see all that information, and all that information is available to the whole team. Okay, so we'll move on quickly to the employee onboarding tracker. And for this one, you can use this to onboard personnel, whether that's remote teams, people working within the business, and you can customize this to suit your specific process. But this is very generic in its approach. It goes through various stages: onboarding, HR, legal, hardware allocation, software allocation, and security checks. So basic for onboarding personnel. If you prefer the Kanban, again, that's available, and you can see all the various checks, and you can see managers, job roles. You can also look at subtasks as well, or checklists, and have that checklist specific to your business, so you can tick them off and just make sure everyone goes through the correct onboarding process and nothing's missed or falls through the cracks. And that's what that would look like. And the next one down is the absence planner. So you can use this as a form for team members to request holidays. So you've got that holiday request form, and you can embed this again on the intranet website, or a site where, or just share that link to the team, and then whenever they want to book a holiday of sorts, they'll kind of just go in here, or embed this on a dashboard somewhere if that's preferable, and you can look at the details of that, and you can see that this is a new request that's come in. Once you start reviewing it, you can change that status to reviewed, and then it changes through to rejected, cancelled, or approved, as the case may be. You can tag this if it's a vacation leave, if it's paid, unpaid, what department person's in, and you can also tag the month, the start date, and a lot of this is populated when the person fills out that information, and they can also tell you where they're going. And once those dates are populated, you can then see, for example, the delta between the start and the finish dates in there. And the final one is for service timesheets. And so very similar to the last one, you've got daily logs where employees or contractors can come in here, pick a date, select themselves from the list, type in their employee code, and just digitally sign to say, yes, I've been here, I've worked, and these are the hours I've done. And then they can also attach any additional information. So for example, if you want this captured digitally, but you also want them to submit timesheets for a client based on a client request, they can do that here. So they can put their time in here and then submit that client timesheet fully filled out to justify that charge, have that uploaded here, and just submit that, and that'll all just kind of build on that employee list. And then you have the duration, so whoever's filled this out will be assigned here. You have the times, the dates, you can add that time. If there's an hourly rate, you can do that, make it regular, plan over time, and that way you've got good visibility of tracking who's been there. So just to go through that again, so we've got that service timesheet, you've got the absence or holiday tracker, you've got the employee onboarding tracker, and then you've got the customer tickets. So a lot of clients usually look to get the customer tickets, and the rest are really just a bolt-on addition if that's also applicable for your business. But with the customer tickets, you can use this as is and embed the customer service form on your website and just start to grab tickets directly from there, and the team can track and close them out all within ClickUp. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to reach out to us, and we're here to support. Thank you.